Guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. Oma, this sun is blinding. It's giving it's giving broad daylight. Oh my god. And it's hot though. It's hot. It's really hot. Anyway,
hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Is the sun not hot?
Yes, hot.
Yeah, it's hot. See, we woke up not too long ago. I want to go out actually, but we're expecting visitors today, so I need to cook. And I don't know if I can run both of them together, considering the time that they'll come. I don't want to go out, come back and be rushing, you know, or be so tired and everything. So I'll just chill and probably go tomorrow as the spirit leads. But let me get cooking, because before you know it now, time has gone. It's currently, what's time now? So I need to check. But I think it's about past 9, if I'm not mistaken. Past 9 to 10. Time to lem. I just made a very banging, delicious, risky burger. With a big cup of tea. Let me eat and load before I can start my cooking. I like to eat very well before I start my work. So good. You guys should try this risky burger if you've heard of it. It's just basically egg. I use sardine for this one. Then I toasted the bread, as you can see. Let me know if you've been trying it or if you've had it before, if you enjoyed it. So delicious. Food is life. This breakfast here has made me forget about my problems, my cooking, my outing that I was supposed to do. I finished eating, but I am lazy. My goodness, I'm not even taking my plates, my cups to the kitchen. See, I am lazy. I'm sleepy. You guys, my hair is in a mess. Look at somebody's hair. Just look at. I think this is one of the downsides of locking your hair per se, because my loctician has not had time to come and make our hair, so his hair is in a mess. My hair is in a mess. Oh my god. Oh, see, I've just been trying. Thank God for water. Water and Ori has been making me look sane. But this hair is a mess. It is, it's undergrow plus. See, from here, I don't know if you can see from here. You see the root to here, I think. Yeah, here. You see? Is my natural, it's my natural hair. You see how you see how the thing has finished? I don't even know how to explain it, but a lot of undergrowth. I need to make this hair as soon as possible. My goodness. Not because I can't find a loctician, but I just want this lady to be doing our hair. Like, I don't want to be going about, you know, looking for someone. I found someone one time when she wasn't free, but I changed my mind. I just cancelled and waited for her to come and lock her hair. Now she's not free again. We'll still wait. She's understood it. She'll continue it. We'll still wait. See if I go cook. Yes, my coleslaw is ready. I did it off camera. So now I will just grill my chicken and fish. See, you guys, I'm sure you'd have watched my jollof rice video by now. I'm grilling my chicken and fish. I'll be wondering what I'll use to make my jollof rice, because I'm making jollof rice and fried rice. Yes, I was thinking I should give them jollof rice and swallow, but then again I'm like, maybe I should give them jollof rice and fried rice. What will you give your guests? Will you prefer to give them, like, if you want to give them variety, will you prefer to give them the same meal, meaning like jollof rice and fried rice, you know, they are both rice, or you give them maybe rice and swallow, rice and something, what will you do if you were me? Let me know in the comment section. So as I was saying, I'm grilling the chicken. I'm not boiling and frying. Neither am I doing frying the fish. I'm also grilling both. I'm grilling the fish as well, because I just feel like I've done this method like 2 or 3 times and it's easy for me. No spill anywhere, no running from frying and all of that. The flour is not a mess and everything. But if you're wondering how I get my chicken stock, right, that was why I said in my jollof rice video that you should always make your stock in bulk. So I'll be using 1 pack of my stock. Let me show you guys. This is one of the stock. I just brought out 1 pack from the freezer. You see, it's going to serve me, so I don't have to worry. See, my chicken is ready. My fish is ready as well. So I'll just pepper it as like normal. And the deliciousness is ready. The rice is still on fire. In a few minutes it will be ready as well, and I'll just pack it. See, meal prep is just the way forward, because what in the name of fastness is this? This is just past 12 and my food is almost ready. Ready. Imagine if I was starting afresh. I had to boil the pepper, the tomato, basically the jollof rice base. That thing takes a lot of time because you need it to dry very well. Then frying it again another time. But because I had leftover, I left some the last time I made jollof rice. I put some in Ziploc bag, and I also have chicken stock. Jollof rice is set in less than 30 minutes. Jollof rice oti ready. Oh, I'm so happy. Let me go and rest. I'll rest at least before our guests come. So I'm done cooking, and this is what the setup looks like. Jollof rice, chicken and fish. You guys, everything here bangs. Like, it's super delicious. I'm not even joking, I'm not even lying, I'm not even exaggerating, because hey God, it is delicious. The coleslaw is in the fridge, so once they're almost here, I'll move everything to the dining, the drinks, cups, water, everything shall take it to the dining table, including this one. But I'm just leaving it here because I just finished cooking, so that it can cool a bit, and I'll cover it with foil or cling film. You guys, I feel like there's something maybe just in my head that we can actually use to cover food like this to make it look nice instead of foil or cling film. Maybe just me thinking about it, or it actually exists, I don't know. Well, I'm done, and this, look at this jollof rice. Ah, look at this chicken, look at this fish. Hey, we've just showered. Zane just finished showering. I want to give him food because today, let me drop Zane down first. Yes, let me go make your food. Later today, I'm traveling. You guys, I have work travel. I'm going for training. I don't even know how I feel. Anyway, I'm going for training later today. I'll be away for some days, so I want to put things in order. I'll make fried rice and maybe porridge to pack in the fridge. Other things they have, so they'll be able to cope. Of beauty is ready. Pot of deliciousness. Zane loves fried rice. This is like his favorite food. I'm on my way. Oh, I'm on my way. This trip, I don't even know how I feel. But anyway, we need to stop over at Costco to do 1 or 2 things. Then I'll head over to the bus station. See my people.
This is a rocking chair.
See the price. See the price. So in case we plan to spoil it. Jesus.
It's 2,500.
2,500. Collect it. That's what I was telling Mama now. I said, can she see the price in case she plans to spoil it? So I drop it.
Drop
You guys see super mouth. This super mouth is just like Ninja mouth. So nice. Just stop to take a break and stretch legs. I want to quickly get a snack. Before we proceed. Thank you, Jesus. So guys, I just thought to update you people. I arrived really late yesterday. I was so exhausted. I didn't even want to carry my camera to do anything. I just changed and dozed. Almost this morning I remembered, I was like, I've not updated the people about my trip and everything. So I was like, when I close from work, because I just closed from work, I will come and update people. By the way, if you're hearing any noise, my accommodation is just close to the road. So I thought to come and end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up until this point, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed.